If you're looking to automate lead nurturing with Proof, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to use Proof's powerful features to build stronger relationships with your leads while saving valuable time. First, let me tell you that you can try Proof for free through the link in the description below, where we've also included some exclusive bonuses. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start automating your lead nurturing process and take your business to the next level. To kick things off, Proof is all about increasing conversions and improving the customer experience by using social proof and real-time behavior tracking. When you show your leads that others are engaging with your site, it builds trust and encourages them to take action. This is where Proof shines. It allows you to display notifications on your website about recent activity, such as sales, signups, or interactions. These nudges subtly guide visitors into making decisions. But that's just the start. What makes Proof stand out is its automation capabilities. Lead nurturing isn't just about tracking behavior, it's about responding in real time. Proof lets you automate personalized messages based on a visitor's actions on your website. For instance, if a lead browses a particular product, Proof can trigger a message that offers a discount or highlights a customer review of that product. This creates a highly tailored experience that drives conversions. Another key feature of Proof is its ability to segment your audience. By analyzing behavior, Proof lets you target visitors based on their interactions, so you're only showing the most relevant social proof to each person. It's like having a personal assistant that understands your leads and customizes their experience, all without you having to lift a finger. What's really powerful is Proof's integration with your email and marketing tools. It syncs perfectly with platforms like HubSpot, MailChimp, and more, allowing you to seamlessly extend your automated nurturing into your email campaigns. Imagine combining Proof's real-time notifications with automated email sequences that remind leads about products they've shown interest in or offer discounts just when they need it. The synergy between the two makes your lead nurturing process incredibly efficient. Now, you might be wondering how all this fits together, and the answer is simple. Proof uses its analytics to help you refine your strategy. The more you automate your lead nurturing, the more data Proof collects, showing you which strategies are working and which need improvement. You'll be able to continuously optimize your efforts for maximum results. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Proof can help you automate lead nurturing effectively. But here's the thing. A lot of marketers make the mistake of overcomplicating their nurturing process. With Proof, it's all about simplicity and personalization. Two things that work together to boost engagement and conversion rates. Before I go, here's a reminder. If you want to try Proof for free, make sure to click the link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the tool, but we've also secured an exclusive extended free trial, giving you even more time to explore everything Proof has to offer. So go ahead and start automating your lead nurturing with Proof today.